Maris, kamusta ka naman ngayon?
Good morning.
Good morning.
I feel okay, but I feel so embarrassed today, and I feel like I'm walking like a naked woman.
I'm sorry to hear that, Maris, no? Pero okay lang ba na mag-Q&A portion tayo ngayon?
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. We can have a Q&A.
Gusto mo ba ng water muna or ano? Okay ka
No,
lang?
I'm fine.
Okay, so let's start sa number 1 na question natin. Okay, so ano ang gusto ng mga baby before matulog?
Before sila matulog, ang mga babies gusto nila, syempre, baby kisses.
Ah, ganun ba? Same goes with you. Gusto mo
Yeah.
ba ng mga baby kisses?
I like baby cases.
Oh,
Yes, baby kisses talaga. Kisses, whatever.
Okay. Ay. Okay, question number 2. Anong sinasabi ng tao pag naiinitan?
Pag naiinitan,
Ikaw, anong sinasabi mo, Maris, pag naiinitan ka?
that was so hot.
Ay, ganun ba?
Yeah, that was so hot. Yan ang sinasabi ko talaga pag mainit.
Okay, alright. Third question. Ano ang maasim?
Yung sweater mo.
Uy, yung sweater ko maasim?
Hindi, basta if I can smell sweater, parang naasiman ako.
You feel
but
like it's so asim?
it's so asim, but I like it.
Okay.
Yeah, I like asim sweaters.
Okay, alright. So let's move on to fourth question. Anong gusto mong itanong sa partner mo?
Partner, do you miss my body? Yeah.
Sa dami-dami ng tanong, ganyan talaga yung tatanong mo?
Of course, kasi gusto ko malaman if he misses me.
Ay, ganun ba? O, sige, moving forward. Fifth question. Anong sinasabi mo sa iyong kalaguyo pag you part ways? Pag nag-separate ways kayo?
Siyempre, if it's Anthony, I always say, Anthony, can we delete messages?
Ah,
Yeah.
bakit?
Para hindi makita kung ano ang nakasulat doon, ang pinag-uusapan. Kasi it has to be private. And I'm sorry that they saw it like that. It's supposed to be private, but I guess you've seen kung paano ako maglambing, kung paano ako mag-love. But I'm sorry that you have to see it that way.
Fine. Stop na, Maris. It's okay. Huwag ka na umiyak. Let's move on na. What's your favorite activity?
Well, simple lang. I'm a very simple person. I like to smoke and pack.
Ay, ganun ba?
Yeah.
Yun yung ba yung favorite hobby mo?
Yes, smoke and pack.
Wow. Ano yung pinapack mo, Maris?
Ang mga karton, pinapak ko yung mga karton.
So, pinapak mo
habang
ang
nagsusmoke. Habang nagsusmoke ako, nagpapak ako ng karton.
Ay,
Pampasalubong ba?
Ay, ganun ba yun? Alright, okay. That makes sense. Okay, moving forward. Ano ang magandang investment na gawin mo sa pera mo?
Well, I think the best way na gawin mo sa pera mo is magpatayo ka ng bahay. Katulad ng, for example, sa RKJ Constructions, na kung saan meron silang build now, pay later na program. And yun, pwede nyong tirahan. Kasama mo yung si Anthony.
Ay, ganun ba?
Si Anthony.
Uy, pero rinig ko yung sa RKJ, they build happiness and no stress.
No
Totoo ba
stress,
yun?
only happiness lang. Zero stress.
So, I think, Maris, doon ka magpatayo ng bahay sa RKJ para zero stress ka.
Of course, tawagan ko mamaya si Roy then.
Yes, tawagan mo si Roy then. Okay, last.
Last na ba?
But,
Because I'm so
of
embarrassed
course,
right now.
I'm sure it's not the last for now. Okay, ang last question for now pala is pag bored ka, ano ang ginagawa mo?
Well, pag bored ako, I like to touch myself. I like to touch my
Can you
body.
be more specific kung like ano ba yung tinatouch mo sa self mo?
No, because it's supposed to be private, and I don't want you to see it that way because I will be embarrassed again. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay, Maris, thank you for your time.
Thank
And
you.
we're so glad that you like spoke and you break your silence about
Thank you.
this
Thank you
matter.
for this opportunity.
Okay, thank you, Maris.
Thank you. Bye. Okay na ba yung script? Maganda ba yung script?
Perfect.
Ay, shit, naka-on yung telepono. Sorry.